Good afternoon. My name is Sandra Selene Garcia Arias. I am 44 years old. I live in the city in Viga, Antioquia. I currently work in a company in design area. I live with my sister, my son, my nephew, and my two dogs. My husband lives in Bogota because of the work is very different in Medellin. Is necessary work in Bogota. I am professional in national and international marketing. I had a diploma in medical visit. I in study the ninth semester or bachelor degree in English. Uh, in the semester, I am looking this subject again. The ability to speak in English is my great weakness, but that's learning the bad side is about for this reason. My level English today is for different reason. I always seek to read the news in English, watch the movies in English, and listen the music in English, especially in American romantic or pop, etc. I am innovation with keeping in a notebook with words and don't know and try the make mental maps or conceptual maps to make remember the more dynamic. This activity is very difficult for me because I am don't teacher. I am studying for teacher. In the moments for the ability, the conversation is very difficult because I don't contact with the language. But is the motivation and in the opportunity for the learning in other abilities for the reading and the writing. For the um, and before graduation for my first grade, I was selling English programs, and I had the opportunity for the study in the institute. But learning English is about perseverance and very dedication. Recording the three strategies to learning English as an active. I have, for instance, the teaching of math, which is closely linked to learning styles. The age individual has learning because method varies according to their learning capacity of each individual. For example, if the person is necessarily learning English visual and the other person learning English and the audio language. Is necessary the teacher difference the opportunity for the studies learn the second language. The other strategies is the uh, language aptitude because the constant contact with contact with the language as self teaching practice help to advance in the learning on a second language. And finally is the part important for the different strategies is necessary the motivation that since it phone advances quickly or slow it and achieve to the object are found already was not necessarily said to want has good grades or lots fluency is warranted to total almost native learning on the language. I see the interesting correlation in that the um, the harp and the tortoise. Okay, this is my short introductions. Thank you, Joe. Thank you very much.